Okay, starting out, always check both your gas and your bar chain oil. Make sure you have enough. It's no fun to get out in the woods, especially if you have to hike somewhere, and discover your chainsaw is not ready. Once you've gotten oil and gas in it, it's always a good idea to make sure you can get it started, that there's no problems with it. The only reason I'm starting it in the same place that I put gas in, and I spilled a little, is because it's on snow. If you're out in the woods with bare ground and sticks and burnable material and you spill a little gas, don't start your chainsaw in the same place. With snow, it doesn't matter. As you can see, the blade on this chainsaw is 14 inches. Just take your string, put it around the tree, measure it. I happen to know this is 38 inches, which divided by pi, 3.14 comes out to 12 inches. My 14-inch chainsaw can cut it easily. I rarely encounter trees that the smaller chainsaw can't cut. Now I also have a wedge to tip the tree, because we're going to use this. This is going to be a hinge here for tipping the tree over, and this is going to help push the tree in the right direction. Once you're in a ways, you can put the wedge in and hammer it a bit. You don't want the wedge to hit the chainsaw, and a plastic wedge is always better so that it But as you can see, the tree is down, and that's how you cut down a tree. One good reason to bring a maul with you is mauls are really nice for limbing. You don't have to use the axe part, you can just use the flat part for most limbs, and they'll just be knocked off. The thing about using a maul instead of a chainsaw is most chainsaw accidents happen while limbing, not while cutting the tree down. That's why I wear this helmet, and because I've gotten things thrown in my face, and most of the time when I'm cutting branches, not the tree. So
if you love the wilderness and you love mysteries, imagine a wilderness guide who solves mysteries like Michael Connelly's Harry Bosch. If you like C.J. Box's Joe Pickett, If you like Dana Stabnow's Kate Chugat, you'll love Winslow. Check it out at Amazon.com.